What is up, everybody? Chris Evans here. Now I am excited to announce a new console to the channel. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the PSVR 2. And today we're going to be unboxing this bad boy along with the PlayStation branded charging station for the controllers. So without any further ado, let's get on into it. Alright, so here we go. We got the PlayStation VR 2 Horizon Call of the Mountain bundle, baby. Can't wait to get inside this thing. But you know what? We gotta open the box. So you know what that means, right? We need our handy dandy knife to get into this. Now, I know normally I destroy the box and everything, so I'm gonna try not to. So we just stab it in and there we go. Alright. Let's open this bad boy up. Looks like we got a box inside of a box. We'll just hold it. Yeah. Right. Look at that. That's pretty sweet. Look at that. You got the PlayStation logos. Oh, we're gonna need our knife again to get in this one. So let's get that in right there. All right, so first, let's see what this box is right here. All right, looks like we got the USB-C connection that goes to the PS5, and we got our headphones that connect to the VR headset itself. So let's take a look at what these things look like, huh? Look at that, it's got a headphone jack right there, and then you get these little earbuds right here. I don't know if these are going to be better than the Pulse headsets or whatever they're called for the PS5. I don't know which one's going to be better, these or the big headsets. I don't know. I'll have to look into that. And it also comes with some spare earbud rubber pieces there, so that's cool. And here we got the game, because I don't think the PSVR 2 has any physical copies for games yet, so everything I think is download strictly for the PSVR 2. So there you go, that's the game that comes with it, along with the instruction manual. Alright, so first, before we get to the headset though, let's take a look at the new controllers. Alright, we'll save the best for last. Bam, look at that. Holy crap. That is nice. That is, look at that R1 button right there on the side. Ooh, that feels nice to click. Look at that. Oh, this feels good. This feels real good. I like it. I like it a lot. The clicks are very quiet. Very clicky though, you can feel it. Look, that's the PS button right there. And here's your sharing button. And it's even got like a R inside there to tell you which one's your right hand. So this would go on your right hand just like that. And I gotta tell you, that feels nice. And there's a lot of space. Look at that. There's a lot of space for my hand. So that's pretty good. I like it. It's light. It's not heavy. Feels really good. Feels really good. It's definitely gonna be better than the Move controllers, right? I mean, let's just call it for what it is. The Move controllers were PS3 controllers, okay? I'm surprised that they lasted that long. I mean, what? They lasted what? All the way to the PS4, so that's what, about 14 years? They've had their run. It was a good run, but it's time for the future, baby. Look at that. Yeah, this feels great. I can't imagine what it's gonna feel like playing games. They feel really light. They're lighter than the Move controllers. Okay, here we go. It's time for the big guns. Here we go. Here it is. Oh my God. I can already tell you right now, this feels lighter. This feels much lighter than the PSVR 1. Wow, look at that. That is beautiful. Look at that, man. And as you can see, it's got cameras on the front now because we don't need the PlayStation Eye camera anymore to track you. But man, look at that. You got a dial on the side. What does that do? Oh, so that dial adjusts the widening and shortening, I don't know if you could see it, but you can space out the lenses left and right, and those lenses look expensive. Those lenses look awesome. I love the rubber texturing, the rubber padding in the back. It feels like air. It doesn't feel like actual padding like the other one. This one feels more like there's like ribbed joints inside and it's just like padding, kind of like how this looks. It feels way lighter than the PSVR 1, I'll tell you that right now. I can't wait to try it on and start playing games. And of course you got the button in the back to extend it. So you got some buttons on the bottom. So there you got your power button. And I don't know what this button does. Maybe that's a recording feature. Looks like a record button right there. I don't know. You tell me. I haven't played with it, so I don't know what anything is yet. But they did move a feature. So this button used to be on the bottom on the PSVR 1, and that extends it out and back and forth. And it looks like there's like little air vents right in here, right above the white part right here. There's little vents. So hopefully that helps with it getting hot. But yeah, there it is. Let's take a look at the charging dock. All right, we got our handy dandy knife, and we just get it in there. And we just, yeah, there we go. Like so. Bam, bam. All right, we got another box inside of a box that doesn't want to come out. I'm pulling as hard as I can. Okay. All right, I've had enough. You know what? I tried, and it doesn't want to work with me. So, all right, let's. God dang. There we go. All right. What is this? What is this? Okay, so these go into the controllers, I'm guessing then. Right there. So that's where you plug these little bad boys into. Bam. Should hear a snap like that, and I guess now they're able to be put on the charging dock. You know what? Might as well do it to this one while we're at it. Put that bad boy right in there. Bam. Nice good snap there. And here we go. Here's the charging station. Wow. That actually looks pretty cool. That looks like futuristic. It's got a nice rubber grip on the bottom so it doesn't slide around. That's good. I like that. It's kind of heavy. That is really sturdy. Okay, so you got the charging dock thing right there. So I'm guessing, okay, so they kind of go like upside down, I guess. Boom. And hopefully I don't drop this thing. So boom, there you go. That's how they go into the charging dock. Pretty sweet. All right, so that's gonna do it. Let me know what you guys think. Leave a like, subscribe if you want to see more unboxings, and I can't wait to start playing PSVR 2 games on the channel, so stay tuned for that. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Later.